Your ex broke up with you, and now you're left wondering how to make them regret that decision, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to give you 11 powerful steps that will not only help you move forward, but also make your ex rethink their choice and even regret letting you go. And trust me, these aren't some cliche tricks. This is about genuinely becoming someone your ex wishes they hadn't left. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Get over the emotional lows. Before attempting to make your ex regret breaking up with you, it's essential to first overcome the emotional lows. Navigating these feelings effectively is crucial. After a breakup, it's completely normal to experience a whirlwind of emotions: sadness, anger, confusion. The key here is to acknowledge and accept these feelings without judgment. Engage in mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling to help you understand the root of your emotions. This self-awareness sets the stage for healing and personal growth. Building a supportive network is essential. Surround yourself with friends, family, and support groups who can uplift you during this challenging time. Share your feelings with trusted individuals. It's a great way to gain clarity and a sense of community. Don't forget to engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's creative pursuits or physical exercise. These activities can enhance your mood and help you rediscover joy in life. And of course, adopting a healthy lifestyle is vital. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep play a huge role in emotional recovery. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, while a good diet and proper sleep regulate your emotions and overall well-being. By focusing on these aspects, you'll not only feel better physically, but also cultivate a resilient mindset that can make your ex reflect on their decision. Step 2. Don't be the backup plan. One of the most effective strategies is to make it clear that you're not a fallback option. Set clear boundaries and show that you're not waiting around for them. Focus on building a fulfilling life that they'd want to be part of again. Avoid desperation and clinginess. These behaviors can push your ex further away. Instead, embrace independence and self-sufficiency. Engage in activities that make you happy and boost your confidence. Show your ex that you're thriving without them, which can evoke a sense of loss and regret for what they gave up. Maintain a composed demeanor during interactions. Avoid constantly checking in or expressing lingering feelings. By presenting yourself as emotionally stable and self-assured, you create an aura of mystery that can make your ex reconsider their decision. Step 3. Limit contact with your ex, but stay in sight. Let's talk about contact. How much is too much? Limiting contact with your ex while staying visible in their life can be a strategic move. This means maintaining a presence without overwhelming them with communication. Keep your interactions brief and purposeful. This way, your ex sees you as someone who's moving forward, not stuck in the past. Instead of initiating frequent conversations, respond only when necessary. Use this time to invest in yourself. Pursue new hobbies, advance your career, and spend time with friends. Cultivate an image of someone thriving independently. When your ex sees you enjoying life and becoming the best version of yourself, it can spark curiosity and regret. Social media can play a big role here. Share moments that highlight your happiness and accomplishments, but keep it authentic. Let your ex witness your growth from a distance. This visibility, combined with a fulfilling life, can effectively stir feelings of regret and make them realize what they lost. Step 4. Get a revenge body or a makeover. Transforming your appearance can be a powerful way to make your ex regret their decision. Committing to a fitness regimen or undergoing a makeover can boost your self-esteem and send a message of self-improvement. Engage in regular exercise and revamp your style. Update your wardrobe, try new hairstyles, and experiment with makeup. These changes not only enhance your appearance, but also showcase your confidence. When your ex sees you looking fresh and vibrant, it may ignite feelings of regret for not appreciating you fully. Remember, the goal is not just to impress your ex, but to reclaim your own identity and happiness. Focus on self-care and personal growth. By prioritizing your well-being, you create an aura of confidence that can make your ex realize what they lost. Step 5. Make them think you're over them and hit social media with a vengeance. To make your ex regret breaking up with you, it's crucial to create the impression that you're completely over them. This involves projecting independence and confidence in every aspect of your life. Avoid emotional outbursts, refraining from checking their social media, and instead focus on living fully and authentically. Limit direct contact with your ex, but still maintain a presence in their life. Share your new adventures and achievements through mutual friends or on social media. During any encounters, embody a confident demeanor. Smile, engage in light conversation, and maintain a positive attitude. This shows that you've moved on, which can make your ex question their decision and feel regret. Utilize social media strategically to amplify this effect. Post about your exciting life and accomplishments to highlight how you're thriving without them. Share photos of outings, new hobbies, or personal milestones, but avoid referencing the breakup directly. Maintain an air of mystery by not oversharing details. This balance of visibility and intrigue can create a sense of loss in your ex, leading them to reconsider their decision and ultimately regret letting you go. Step 6. Never contact your ex. The no-contact rule is a powerful strategy for making your ex regret their decision. By refraining from reaching out, you create the necessary distance to process the breakup and focus on self-improvement. This absence can prompt your ex to reflect on what they've lost. Use this time for personal growth and introspection. Rediscover your passions, reconnect with friends, and focus on your own happiness. The absence of your presence creates a sense of mystery and may lead your ex to question their decision. Adhering to the no-contact rule protects your emotional health and plants the seeds of regret in your ex's mind. Step 7. Keep calm when you see them. Maintaining your composure during encounters with your ex is crucial. A calm and collected demeanor reflects emotional maturity and shows that you've moved on. This can leave a lasting impression and make your ex question their decision. During interactions, keep the conversation light and positive. If the breakup comes up, respond with acceptance and well wishes. This calmness can be disarming and may prompt your ex to feel guilty for not valuing the relationship. Your confidence and poise can enhance your attractiveness, leading your ex to reconsider their choice. Step 8. Hint that there is someone else in your life. Hinting at the presence of someone new can evoke jealousy and make your ex reconsider their decision. Share moments that imply you're engaging with new people or exploring new social circles. This can create intrigue and trigger feelings of jealousy. However, avoid deceit or manipulation. Focus on genuine enjoyment and personal growth. When your ex sees you thriving and surrounded by new connections, it can lead them to regret their decision. By hinting at someone else, you make your ex realize what they've lost while staying true to yourself. Step 9. Expand your social circle and maintain good relations with their friends or family. Expanding your social circle can be a strategic move. By seeking new friendships and connections, you create a vibrant social life that showcases your independence. Engaging with new people can make your ex realize that you're thriving without them. Maintaining good relations with your ex's friends and family can also be beneficial. Approach these relationships with care, avoiding unnecessary drama. When your ex sees that you're still part of their social circle, it may prompt them to reflect on what they've lost. Building a rich social life enhances your well-being and makes you more desirable. Step 10. Focus on career success. Shifting your focus to career success can be a powerful way to make your ex regret their decision. If you've compromised your professional goals for your relationship, now is the time to prioritize your career. Professional success boosts your self-esteem and can make you more attractive to your ex. By achieving career goals and immersing yourself in work, you not only channel your emotions into productivity, but also create an aura of desirability. This can make your ex question their decision, especially if they left you for someone who might not be as successful. Step 11. Enjoy the happy single life. Finally, embrace the happy single life. Focus on your own happiness and fulfillment, and project an image of resilience and independence. By engaging in activities that bring you joy, you create a fulfilling life that showcases your ability to thrive on your own. Shift your mindset about being single. View it as an opportunity for growth and exploration. Share your positive experiences with others to create intrigue and even jealousy in your ex. When they see you happy and thriving, it can evoke feelings of regret and make them reconsider their decision. As you move forward and take steps to make your ex regret letting you go, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. I've made a video called Mistakes That Can Make a Breakup Feel Even Worse and What to Do Instead. You can check it out right here. This video will guide you through what to avoid so you can heal and bounce back even stronger.